Hello Kuwait and Philippines, hello Middle East, and hello world. Welcome po ulit sa live update namin ngayon. Kasama ko po ang isang student po namin for Caregiver Practical Training course po. And siya po ay nakapagtapos na po dito sa course. Pwede pa po malaman ang pangalan niyo po?
My name is Reggie Bitchan. So I currently live in Jara, Singapore, Filipino.
So, sir, bakit po tayo nag-ibang bansa at naging OFW?
Because I want to uplift my family and also myself and to be independent also.
So, nag-decide po kayo na ibang bansa dito sa
Yes.
Kuwait. So, first country niyo po
Yes, this
talaga
is my
Kuwait.
first country.
Okay. So, ano po yung biggest challenge niyo po dito sa Kuwait? Or like, as OFW?
So my biggest challenge is being independent, as I said earlier, and to be able to help my family,
So, yun
my
po talaga
siblings,
ang focus.
yes,
Okay.
and of course to fulfill my dreams.
Of course, big dreams.
Yeah, big dreams.
So, starting po dito kayo mag-aano
Yes,
ng
because,
dreams niyo.
free po tayong mangarap.
Of
Yes.
course. Walang cost yung
Yes.
pangarap, no? So, paano niyo po nakilala po si ICSE?
So nakita ko yung ICC through Facebook, browsing through Facebook. Tapos pinabasa ko yung mga evaluation ng mga previous students. And so naano ako na-amaze, na-inspired ako.
So, nag-decide na po kayo.
Yes, tapos bumisita kami sa office and then the staff is very accommodating. So, entertain kanila, tapos guidance kanila. May guidance na
Of
naman.
course.
Yes.
Of course, needed po naman po talaga
Yes.
yan, no? So, ano po yung experience niyo po in your classroom? Or like, let's say po, ano po yung pinaka-helpful sa course po na nakuha niyo po?
So I take up a CPD. So the classroom is very vibes, cooperative, and we are very energetic. So we are sharing different ideas, not only my co-students or of course our instructor.
So, like, may coordination
Yes,
talaga
coordination.
between students and
Yes.
instructor.
Yes.
Okay. So, ano po yun, like, sa tingin niyo po, after niyo po matapos yung course, what's your
So
next
I've
plan?
learned a lot, like how to check the glucose, the sugar, the blood
Yes.
pressure, the pulse rate, and the proper hygiene, the doffing and donning of the gloves or the sterile gloves, and then how to take care not only for the oldest, of course for yourself also.
So, like, the basic
The
skills
basic,
talaga.
yes.
So, ano po yung, message natin to your classmates po na hindi pa po nakapagtapos?
So I encourage them to just focus on their dreams, study well, and of course, they can visit also the ICSU because they are open 24 hours, they are responding 24 hours, and friendly staff also.
So, ano po yung message niyo po kay instructor, si Sir
So,
Mark?
Sir Mark, he is very helpful and understanding, very active, patient, and of course, he is not only limiting to us, he is beyond his discussions because he teach us like his basic experiences, not just
From the book,
yes, not just from the that's the reality of what he did to his job.
Sa bago na talaga
Yes.
yun sa
Yes, it's
kinuha
very
niyo po.
wonderful and like amazing.
Na bago talaga yung view
Yes,
niyo po, no?
yes.
So, let's see po, sa mga nanonood po or mga gusto po mag-enroll, pero hesitant pa po sila, ano po yung
So I
message niyo?
encourage to my fellow kababayans, especially in Kuwait, not only in Kuwait, I guess you have three worldwide, yeah,
Yes.
rather. So they can apply, they can contact through Facebook or they can attend classes also through Zoom because
That's right.
they can send email or contact through
WhatsApp,
social media,
social
yes,
medias,
accounts,
yes.
any type, and then because education is not just how old are you, so it doesn't matter
It
how
doesn't
old,
matter,
yes,
yes.
because it's limitless.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Knowledge is not,
Yes.
You
According to
could-
the knowledge is power.
yes, knowledge is power. So, salamat po sa pagsama sa akin dito sa
Thank you so
live.
much.
Thank you so much po. And congratulations
Yes,
po sa
you're welcome.
pagpag-complete niya ng course niya.
And also congratulations to my classmates as well.
So, ako po muli si Miss Margie. And sa mga interested po sa course natin, mag-comment down below lang po or mag-message sa akin WhatsApp number directly +965-6680-3540. So, ako po muli si Miss Margie at kasama ko po si
Reggie Petchan.
with ICSA, your partner in success.
Thank you.